My name is Neil Colstad. I'm the Vice President of Sales at Hitachi Vantara. As I look across the market and talk to customers, I see a common theme where organizations are on hold. The first being, there's just so much complexity here to consider. There's so many options, so many different technology choices, system integration options. And underneath that, there's also a lot of questions about what is the path towards a desired state. I've been running my business in a certain way for a period of time. I think I need to change in order to scale, but what is my desired end state? And third, what is the real business case for change? In other words, what's the big why here? Why should I make a move? The first is start at the top. And what I mean by that is you really need to have executive commitment to a program like this. It really is about transforming your business. And also, you need to, at the same time, start at the bottom. You have to analyze and assess everything in the business. This is their current state. And it starts with data, their current ERP applications, the processes that they go through to run their business. You really need to understand everything about your company before you start to begin considering the journey towards a new environment. Number two, S/4HANA, the application itself, allows us and our company to actually build best practice templates and what we call accelerator tools with S/4HANA that very closely align our customers. And when we lead with our innovation on top of SAP HANA, we find that most customers quickly realize how the technology can support their needs today and in the future. And number three, consider the different rollout strategies that will be best suited for your business, whether it's a phased rollout or a big bang rollout. There's trade-offs and pros and cons, and you really need to examine what those options are and pick the best one for you. A food processor company that we've worked with, they had a very specific problem around inventory management. Not being able to meet demand, it just sends really a shockwave across the organization. So with S/4HANA and integrated business planning, this food processing company now has great insight, on-demand insight into inventory they have on hand, product that's in the supply chain, and where their inventory is. So that when this nationwide supermarket submits an order for 1,000 cases, our food processing customer knows exactly what they have on hand and where it is and can meet that customer order.